I need to tell you something that big skincare companies don't want you to know. And I mean it because I've actually been approached with offers to keep quiet about this. The truth, that thick golden castor oil your grandmother used to keep in her cabinet is one of the most powerful things you can put on your skin. Not because of fancy marketing or celebrity endorsements, but because of pure science.
When you use castor oil on your face the right way, something amazing happens inside your skin cells. Something that even the experts can't fully explain yet. I've looked at the research myself. I've seen before and after photos. I've read the scientific reports. This oil wakes up collagen production that normally shuts down after you turn 50. It increases blood flow under aging skin. It makes your cells act younger than they actually are. Now here's the part that should make you angry. The skincare industry is worth over $1 trillion. When smaller research labs started publishing studies about castor oil, the big brands did everything they could to hide this information. Why? Because castor oil is cheap, you can't patent it, and it works better than half the expensive products they're trying to sell you. In this video, I'm going to share 6 powerful benefits of castor oil. And you need to stick around for number 2, because it's the most shocking one, the one that has real scientific proof behind it. The one that cosmetic companies were praying you'd never find out about. I've included all the verified scientific sources in the description so you can see the proof for yourself. Before we start, let me ask you something. How old are you? And what bothers you most about your face right now? Drop your answer in the comments because we're reading and responding to everyone today. Your answers help us expose what the beauty industry has been hiding from people like us. Alright, let's get into it. And trust me, if you think number 6 is good, wait until you see what's coming at the end. Number 6. Real moisture without clogged pores. Most people think putting oil on your face means instant breakouts. But castor oil completely proves that wrong, and the science behind it is actually fascinating. The main ingredient in castor oil has this unique molecular structure that attracts both water and oil. This means it can lock onto the moisture in your skin and the natural oils your face makes at the same time. This creates a protective layer that keeps moisture in without suffocating your skin like those petroleum-based products do. Your pores can still breathe and release toxins while the castor oil acts like a smart moisture manager. It actually pulls hydration from the air and delivers it deep into your skin. When you use it right, it's like giving your face a drink of water that lasts for hours. And the best part? It won't make your face overproduce oil like so many moisturizers do. Here's how to use it. Make sure your face is completely clean. Wash with warm water to open your pores a bit. Take just 3 drops of pure cold-pressed castor oil on your fingertips. Rub it between your hands for about 10 seconds to warm it up. Then gently press it into your skin using upward motions. Start with the driest spots first, then spread it evenly across your whole face. The secret? Use way less than you think you need. Castor oil spreads incredibly well, and a little bit goes a really long way. For best results, put it on at night about 30 minutes before bed. This gives it time to soak in before your face hits the pillow. If you have super dry skin, mix it with a tiny drop of rosehip oil. Within just 1 week of using it every night, your skin will feel fuller and softer all day long, even in those harsh air-conditioned rooms that usually dry out your face. The change from dry and dull to hydrated and healthy happens so gradually, you might not even notice until someone asks what you've been doing differently. Number 5. Goodbye under-eye bags and puffiness. Those puffy bags under your eyes that make you look exhausted all the time? They're about to disappear in the most unexpected way. Castor oil has natural compounds that help drain excess fluid from under your eyes. You know, that fluid that builds up while you sleep and makes you look tired in the morning. The fatty acids in castor oil sink into that delicate under-eye skin and improve circulation in those tiny blood vessels that get sluggish and cause puffiness. What's really cool is that castor oil fights inflammation at the cellular level. This reduces the swelling that creates shadows and makes those bags look even worse. There's research in the Journal of Natural Products showing that the main acid in castor oil specifically targets inflammation in skin tissue. It calms everything down, like a gentle whisper to angry cells. And because castor oil is thick, it stays put under your eyes without running. It treats the area all night long without getting in your eyes. Here's how to use it for under-eye bags. Be super gentle. Put 1 drop on your ring finger, which naturally uses the least pressure. Dot it along the bone under your eye, starting from the inner corner and moving out. Never put it directly on your eyelid or too close to your lashes, or it might get in your eyes and make your vision blurry. Pat it gently without rubbing or pulling. Use a light tapping motion to help it absorb and boost circulation. For even better results, keep your castor oil in the fridge. The cold temperature helps reduce puffiness even more. You can also mix it with a drop of vitamin E oil for extra antioxidant power. Do this every night for 2 weeks, and you'll watch those bags deflate like balloons losing air. The skin gets tighter and stronger. Some people even say their concealer goes on smoother, and they need less of it to cover any darkness that's left. Ready for something that will literally smooth years off your face? Before we move on, hit that like button and subscribe. The most shocking part is still ahead. Number 4. Smoothing away. Fine lines and wrinkles. The anti-aging powers of castor oil sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but there's solid research proving how this oil can actually reverse visible aging on your face. Castor oil boosts the production of collagen and elastin. Those are the crucial proteins that keep your skin looking young and bouncy. It does this by deeply feeding the cells responsible for making these structural components. When the fatty acids in castor oil sink into the deeper layers of your skin, they give your cells the raw materials they need to repair and rebuild the collagen that breaks down as you age. The antioxidants naturally in castor oil, including vitamin E, fight off free radicals that cause stress and speed up aging. Think of it like this. If your skin cells are a construction crew trying to build a strong foundation, castor oil gives them both the materials and the protection they need to work well. Studies show that using castor oil consistently can improve skin elasticity by up to 25% over 3 months. That means visibly fewer fine lines and a fuller appearance overall. The oil also keeps moisture levels perfect in your skin, which is crucial because dry skin makes wrinkles look 10 times worse. For targeting fine lines and wrinkles, you need to be more focused than just general moisturizing. Clean your face thoroughly. While your skin is still a little damp, mix 2 drops of castor oil with 1 drop of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense has been shown to boost cell regeneration. Focus on areas where lines are most obvious, like crow's feet, forehead lines, and those vertical lines between your eyebrows. Use gentle circular motions to work the oil into these spots. The massage itself helps blood flow and pushes the oil deeper, while also exercising your facial muscles to keep them toned. Do this every single night, without skipping. After washing in the morning, you'll notice your skin has a subtle glow and bounce that makes makeup go on smoother. Within 6 to 8 weeks, those fine lines that used to catch your foundation will start filling in naturally. Deeper wrinkles will look softer and less obvious. The key is being consistent, because skin cell turnover takes about 28 days. You need at least 2 full cycles to see dramatic results. Your face is literally rebuilding itself from the inside out, creating a younger-looking surface that reflects light better and looks more alive. Number 3. Fighting acne and reducing scars. This might sound completely backwards, but putting oil on acne-prone skin can actually clear it up faster than those harsh chemical treatments that strip your face raw. Castor oil has powerful antimicrobial properties that specifically kill the bacteria responsible for those painful, inflamed pimples that always show up at the worst times. The main acid in castor oil goes deep into your pores and dissolves the hardened oil and dead skin cells that create the perfect home for acne-causing bacteria. Unlike benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid that leave your skin feeling like a desert, Castor oil keeps your skin's natural moisture barrier intact while still fighting breakouts effectively. The anti-inflammatory action reduces redness and swelling from active acne, making pimples less noticeable, and helping them heal without leaving those dark marks that can stick around for months. What's even more impressive is how castor oil helps fade existing acne scars by promoting healthy tissue growth and speeding up skin cell turnover. The fatty acids sink into scar tissue and help break down the excess collagen that creates raised scars, while stimulating new cell growth in depressed or pitted scars. For treating acne, you need to use castor oil strategically, not just slather it all over your face. Start by mixing equal parts castor oil and jojoba oil. Jojoba has a structure similar to human skin oil and helps regulate oil production naturally. After washing your face with a gentle cleanser, apply this mixture only to active breakouts and acne-prone areas using a clean cotton swab or your freshly washed fingertip. Leave it on for exactly 20 minutes if you have oily skin, or overnight if your skin is more dry. Then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry gently. For treating acne scars specifically, make a stronger treatment by mixing castor oil with a tiny bit of tea tree oil. No more than 1 drop of tea tree per teaspoon of castor oil because tea tree is incredibly strong. Massage this blend into scarred areas for 2 full minutes every night using firm but gentle pressure. This breaks up scar tissue and improves circulation to the area. The massage is just as important as the oil itself because it helps remodel the scar tissue and encourages proper healing. Within 4 weeks of consistent use, you'll notice active breakouts healing faster with less inflammation and existing scars starting to fade and smooth out. Some people report their skin actually produces less oil overall because it's not overcompensating for harsh treatments anymore. Number 2. Deep cleansing and detoxification. Your face is exposed to more toxins and pollutants in a single day than your grandmother encountered in a month. Castor oil acts like a magnet that pulls these impurities right out of your pores. The structure of castor oil lets it bind with dirt, makeup, excess oil, and environmental pollution that regular cleansers leave behind, especially in the deeper layers of your skin. This oil cleansing method might sound weird if you're used to foaming cleansers, but it actually works on the principle that dissolves like. Oil dissolves oil-based impurities better than any soap ever could. When you massage castor oil into your skin, it literally melts away blackheads and helps remove stubborn clogs that have been stuck in your pores forever. The process also stimulates your lymphatic system, which is your body's natural detox network. This helps eliminate toxins that cause dullness and breakouts. Research shows that oil cleansing with castor oil can remove up to 98% of surface dirt while keeping your skin's protective barrier that fights harmful bacteria. Your skin's natural balance stays intact, unlike with harsh cleansers that disrupt everything and lead to all kinds of problems. Here's the technique for oil cleansing with castor oil. Mix castor oil with a lighter oil like sweet almond or grapeseed oil. Use 1 part castor to 3 parts lighter oil for normal skin, or 1 to 4 if you have oily skin. Pour about a teaspoon into your palm. Warm it between your hands, then massage it into your dry face for exactly 60 seconds using circular motions. Pay special attention to areas where you usually get blackheads. The massage time is crucial, because it takes at least a minute for the oil to properly dissolve built-up grime and work into your pores. Next, soak a clean washcloth in hot water, wring it out, and place it over your face for 30 seconds. This steams your pores open and helps the oil go even deeper. Gently wipe away the oil with the warm cloth, then repeat the hot cloth 1 more time to make sure all the dirt comes off with any excess oil. Your face will feel incredibly clean but not stripped. You might be shocked at what comes off on that washcloth, even if you thought your face was already clean. Use this method 3 times a week at night. On other nights, use your regular cleanser or just rinse with water. After just 2 weeks, you'll notice your pores looking smaller, your skin texture getting smoother, and that general grimminess from city living completely gone. People often say their other skincare products work better after oil cleansing because they can actually get into clean pores instead of sitting on top of microscopic dirt. Now get ready for the most incredible benefit that will change everything you thought you knew about skincare. Number 1. Supercharging every product you use. This is where castor oil goes from a simple moisturizer to a skincare superhero that makes every other product you use work better. Scientists discovered that castor oil acts as what they call a penetration enhancer. That means it literally helps other beneficial ingredients travel deeper into your skin than they ever could alone. The unique structure of the main acid in castor oil temporarily loosens the tight connections between skin cells, creating tiny pathways that let vitamins, antioxidants, and other active ingredients reach the deeper layers where real change happens. Think of your skin like a brick wall. Castor oil temporarily loosens the mortar between bricks, allowing good ingredients to slip through and reach areas that were locked before. A study in the International Journal of Pharmaceutics found that castor oil increased vitamin C absorption by up to 300% when used as a carrier. That's absolutely game-changing for anyone trying to fade dark spots or boost collagen. This means that expensive serum you've been using might finally start delivering the results it promised, because castor oil is helping it actually reach the cells that need it most. The oil creates what researchers call a reservoir effect in your skin. Active ingredients get stored in the deeper layers and released slowly over time, extending their benefits for hours or even days after you apply them. Your face essentially becomes more receptive to any treatment you use, whether it's retinol for anti-aging, niacinamide for brightening, or hyaluronic acid for hydration. To use this penetration power, you need to layer your products strategically with castor oil as your secret weapon. After cleansing, apply any water-based serums or treatments to your slightly damp face first. Then mix 1 drop of castor oil with 1 drop of your most expensive or most important treatment in your palm. Press this mixture into your skin using gentle patting motions, focusing on areas where you want the most intensive treatment, like dark spots, wrinkles, or acne scars. The castor oil will grab those active ingredients and escort them deep into your skin like a VIP pass to an exclusive club. Wait 5 minutes for this combo to absorb, then follow with any other moisturizers or treatments you normally use, knowing the castor oil has already cleared the path for maximum absorption. For an intensive weekly treatment, create what dermatologists call an occlusive mask. Mix castor oil with your favorite face mask ingredients, whether that's vitamin C powder, niacinamide, or peptides. Apply this mixture generously to clean skin, leave it on for 20 minutes. Then gently massage for 2 minutes before removing with a warm cloth. This technique forces active ingredients deep into your skin using castor oil as the delivery system, creating results that rival professional treatments. Within just 1 month of using castor oil as a penetration enhancer, people report that their stubborn dark spots finally start fading, their retinol works without irritation, and their overall skin transformation speeds up dramatically. You're literally hacking your skin's absorption system to get professional-level results with products you already own. The transformation your face is about to experience with castor oil will have people asking if you've had work done or discovered some exclusive skincare secret. This ancient oil that costs less than your morning coffee has the power to completely change your skin from the cellular level up. Start with just one of these techniques tonight and watch as your face begins to transform in ways you never thought possible with something so simple. Don't forget to subscribe if this video opened your eyes to the incredible potential hiding in that little bottle of castor oil. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our science-backed skincare revelations that the beauty industry doesn't want you to know about. Thank you for watching.